What is up? Today we're out at Lake Las Vegas. We're at a Tri Pointe community called Lakeview Ridge. This is the beautiful Plan 1. We're going to take a look at this. So the price on this one starts at, if you were to get the Elevation A, $893,000. There are no SIDs or lids out here. And this home is going to be 2,579 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Depending on what lot you were to get in this community, you could have mountain views or you could have lakeside views. Total HOA on this is going to be, what's it going to be, $351 a month. So you're going to have the $153 for Lake Las Vegas and $198 for Lakeview Ridge. It's a gorgeous home, Tri Pointe, very modern, tons of amazing natural light coming to the property. And my name is Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage. Thanks so much for joining. If you found my channel, I am going to have to presume that you are curious about Las Vegas housing. Maybe you're buying, maybe you're selling, maybe you just want to check it out. I'd love to be your professional and helping you out with that. So context, as we go through right here, you see doors. This is the model. This will be a garage, 2-car garage. So they use it for a sales office. So as we walk in, know that this will be converted, and this door over here to our left, this little walkway will be walled off, or this would be a doorway that leads into the house right here. So all right, we're gonna start right here. There's a casita on this house, so it's just really gorgeous. Let's go check it out. Beautiful high ceilings in this foyer. So one thing I do love about Tri Pointe, I love their windows. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I talk about that a lot. We bought a second home in Las Vegas through Tri Pointe. Moved my folks into it about 2 years ago actually, so they love it. It's great, and yeah, they're just really nice homes. So let's just go over here to this little room right here. Now, of course, the builders, they model out homes. You know, they do a lot of things that you can get or you may not be able to get. This room right here would probably be a great formal dining room if you wanted a formal dining room. Or if not, just how it is, it's a great sitting room. Now we can't go out into the backyard because they have a pool, so it's a liability. There's no net on the pool. But just to give you an idea, you can see Lake Las Vegas just off there in the distance. And this is a high side lot, so the lots behind it, those are down a good bit of elevation. So I do not believe you'd have any obstruction inside this house. Kind of show you the rest of the patio here. Just give you an idea of the lot size. Of course, this would be delivered dirt. You would just have some sort of hard surfacing right out here in the back patio area. So looking out, this is the kitchen, and there's another room right off the back of the kitchen. So I know this house is a 3 bedrooms because these are no closets. So you could make an additional downstairs bedroom if you needed to, although there already is a nice, gorgeous bedroom with the ensuite. So staying with the kitchen, got this beautiful quartz waterfall edge, and we're starting to see more and more of this lately. So going away from the gas, and we're going to like all this like electric instant cooktops. So kind of cool, very sleek looking. Just give you more of this house, this room. So, all right, moving on over here, we have the additional storage, lots of storage over here. There's your fridge. And you've got your pantry right here. So pretty cool. And those LED lights are kind of neat. Over here you have your convection oven / microwave, and then you have a second lower unit, which is going to be the second oven. So 2 ovens. Just real nice, real clean, real open. Of course, you have your dining area right here. This is actually how it is in my house. We're not in the Tri Pointe home, the one we live in, but we have kitchen, dining, location, I guess you'd say, with a long linear table, then leads into our great room, and we also have a nice big tall ceiling just like this. So, and depending on if you were to be interested in this property or one of the homes in this community, builders offer incentives all the time. They're always changing, so the best thing to do is just give me a call and I can find out exactly what's being offered at that time. Right here, this is the front door coming in, this big, beautiful glass pivot door. And this is going to take us over to the downstairs ensuite bedroom. So really more than an ensuite, next gen casita attached, however you want to call it. Nice roomy bathroom, good closet right there. And this one's modeled with the 3/4 shower, 3/4 bath, excuse me. You got your closet right there. And then over here, we have like a little living room, right? Does have its own entrance from the front of the house. So you can see through that glass, there's that glass pivot door to the main part of the property. And they went ahead and put a little wet bar, a little fridge in here. So yeah, really nice. All right, let's continue. What's next? I think we got some stuff to see right here. Yep, half bath. So if you have folks down or visiting you. So just some design options. They put some crown molding up there, put a dark, it's like a dark brown, not quite black, ceiling paint. So just kind of cool, a little different stuff. And we have a coat closet right here. Oh, put some graphite on that Tri Pointe. All right, let's go ahead and head upstairs. And this right here, this is what we call a floating staircase. So it looks like it is just floating. All right, game room, loft, movie night, extra living room for the kids to hang out in, you know, whatever it may be. It's a nice little room up here. Okay, continuing on, let's just actually show you this foyer from when you come in. All right, so back over here, we've got another room, another bedroom. From this one, you can see the front entrance to the community is just out these windows, and then you've got some nice mountains there off in the distance. Got a walk-in closet. Excuse me. And I should mention we do have 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot doorways throughout this property. Over here is a full bath upstairs. So for the secondary bedrooms. Got your door there, that's good. Some privacy. And you got that nice high window. So letting light in, but no eyes. We have upstairs laundry room. Smart panels in this room too. Pretty good size. And that'll lead us to another bedroom. So I know I said 3 bedrooms. That's 1, 2, 3, it's 4. So obviously I was just reading off of their spec sheet. So this is optionable. You can have more than just 3 bedrooms, as does this model. So right over here, we're in the primary bedroom. Great views of the lake. Let's hop outside here. Nice upstairs balcony. So pretty cool. See a lot of Lake Las Vegas. Got a great golf course up here as well for those golfers. And then let's head on in here and we'll check out the bathroom. So fun fact, I actually started a golf YouTube channel. I just don't have much content on it. But if you're a golfer and you want to check out my golf game on YouTube or Instagram, it's just bogeys and pars. B-O-G-E-Y-S and pars, P-A-R-S. So take a look. Go ahead, critique my swing. It's all good. Here we're in the primary closet. It is already built out for the model. And that will lead us into this gorgeous bathroom with this massive walk-in shower. Very nice, very big. I like it when the controls are far away, so you don't have to, you go to a hotel, you turn on the water, you're like, oh, can be in the way of the water. So if it's cold, you get cold. Anyways, they're in the back here, and here's the rest of the bathroom. I'll try to stay on point here. So a lot of cool colors, wallpapers, textures. This wallpaper kind of reminds me of just like maybe old school Vegas from the 60s or something like that. So I wasn't around back then, but maybe we would have seen a lot of that. But that takes us to the end of the store. Thanks so much for joining us. All my contact info is right there on the bottom right. If you'd like to get in touch with me or have any questions about the buying or selling process or just want to talk about the market, I'm happy to oblige. And thank you so much. Be blessed. Have a fantastic day.